Hello everyone, welcome back to ACV Customized. I'm your host DCWF. So today's video is a short one because I sped it up. I sped it up 5 times just so we could get it finished. Mainly I didn't want you to have to sit through a 40 something minute video of me making some decisions as I went along. So like I said, I sped it up. Um So on Photoshop, I decided to draw a picture or do a painting style using the Photoshop application. I've done this a couple times, and as you can see, I'm turning around and setting up the background right now on the video. Now, of course, doing this, I had to do a little more editing in my video than I normally do. Usually for my videos, I don't do a lot of editing. I leave it raw. I talk through while I do the video, but when I was doing it over in the Photoshop, I just decided to do the video and then just do a voiceover as I went along. And so there you go. That's what I've done. So some of my videos, I do them for y'all to turn around and be able to follow along. And if you want to try, you can. And I'm not going to say anything because, yeah, feel free. If you want to try to follow along a little bit, go ahead. Um, there was no cursor thing. There was no cursor or any way for you to really see everything I was going to pick. I was doing this on my app on my tablet, so mostly I did this videos for you to enjoy just seeing me do a piece of artwork. So as of now, I can turn and tell you I've got you can see I'm doing this background, and it's about, let's see, I'm 2 minutes into the video. Yeah. Okay, so what that is me creating a sky, basically, is what I'm actually creating. Um, I hope y'all enjoy the video. I should have already said that. Sorry about that. Either way, I hope you can hear me well. I don't do this very often, doing a voice over after the video is done. But like I said, I had some editing to do. I had to remove a couple minutes worth of it just sitting still because I was doing something else and I didn't pause the recording. So, had to fix that part, remove a few little snidbit areas that I wasn't doing anything, so all it was the screen just sitting still. Remove that, and then I sped up the video 5 times, which I guess that could have been a little bit excessive. My videos are usually anywhere from 20, 30 minutes long, even on my art channel. And then if I get onto one of my other channels, I've got it sped up even a little bit more. So, either way, like I said, I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. I am going to continue to talk a little bit about it. So, as you can see, I've about gotten the background. I had done that before in a prior video. As you see, I've made these little, basically they're like black holes, and I'm doing the coloring. And I've done it before in one of my other pictures because I've done this multiple times now on my Photoshop app. But I actually just decided I didn't want those this time. So I decided to go with a different technique. And so I decided, why not put a planet? And yes, I went with just a black background is what I started with, and then I went with a black background for the planet. Thought I would give it kind of a little bit more of a pop with a color. I really like watching Bob Ross, so I take some of my stuff from watching him, some of my art. Some of what I do with my art, I kind of do that because of watching Bob Ross for a couple years. I enjoyed how he always made the artworks. So, if you're still watching, because I look on my thing and I notice that some people watch my videos for long periods of time and some people don't finish the video, or at least that's what my system says. I actually don't know if anybody finishes it or not. Uh, I hope people actually do finish watching my videos. I know that I talk a little extra. It's just something I'm working at. I'm trying to get used to doing these videos. I've done multiple of them. I'm still trying to, I guess, figure out my complete niche as far as how I do the talking and all on it. So, either way, that's neither here nor there. Oh, and as that said a few seconds back, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I've got more artwork that I'll be posting, and there's just different things I'm doing right now. Uh, I believe in my. I should have it all in my description down below. There should be a few other links to different things if you wish to look at them. So, either way, I am at 6 minutes and 30 seconds in. 40 seconds in, yeah. Okay. Well, if you're still watching, which I hope you are, I hope you're enjoying what you've seen so far. No, either way. I'm not going to do a whole lot more. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe. I've been kind of busy, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Like, subscribe, if you want to. You don't have to. Feel free to comment. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day and a great new year, because at least that's around the time when I finish filming this and editing. Give or take a day or so. Have yourselves a great and wonderful new year. And I pray the Lord bless you and help you in the ways you need. Have a great one. So long.